Welcome to the exciting holidays. Whether you're looking for adventure or just want to relax on October 25th and 26th, there's a celebration for everyone. Remember to send happy thoughts to those celebrating birthdays or other important events on these special days. World Pasta Day. World Pasta Day is celebrated annually on October 25th. This day recognizes pasta, one of the world's most beloved foods, for its versatility, accessibility, and ability to transcend cultural and geographical boundaries. Originally established in 1998 at the World Pasta Congress, World Pasta Day aims to highlight the health benefits and pure gastronomic joy provided by this iconic dish. On this day, pasta enthusiasts from around the world come together to celebrate in various ways. Events, workshops, and promotional campaigns are often organized by chefs, restaurants, and pasta manufacturers. These celebrations focus on the countless varieties of pasta, its traditional and contemporary recipes, and its significance in cuisines globally. Whether it's spaghetti, penne, lasagna, or any of the hundreds of other pasta shapes, World Pasta Day serves as a reminder of pasta's enduring global appeal and its place in culinary traditions worldwide. International Artist Day. International Artist Day is celebrated annually on October 25th. Established in 2004 by Canadian artist Chris McClure in British Columbia, this day recognizes artists and the contributions they make to society. Artists, through their creativity and talent, have the ability to inspire, provoke, challenge, and beautify the world around us. They play a crucial role in expressing cultural, social, and personal perspectives, often serving as mirrors reflecting the times in which they live. On International Artist Day, individuals and communities are encouraged to appreciate and support artists in their midst, whether they are painters, sculptors, musicians, dancers, writers, or any other type of creative professional. It's a day to visit galleries, attend performances, or simply express gratitude to the artists you know. The primary goal is to celebrate the profound impact artists have on enhancing and deepening human understanding and connection. National Greasy Foods Day. National Greasy Foods Day is celebrated annually on October 25th. This light-hearted, unofficial holiday is a nod to the guilty pleasures many people indulge in from time to time, foods that are fried, oily, buttery, and undeniably delicious. From crispy fried chicken, juicy burgers, and thick-cut fries to cheesy pizzas and rich pastries, greasy foods have a certain appeal that many find hard to resist. On National Greasy Foods Day, enthusiasts might take the opportunity to savor their favorite greasy treats without the usual guilt. It's a day of culinary indulgence, celebrating the comfort and joy these foods often bring. However, like all indulgences, moderation is key. While it's okay to enjoy these dishes occasionally, it's essential to balance them with healthier choices in one's overall diet. This day serves as a fun reminder of the simpler joys of life and the universal love for comfort foods. National Pumpkin Day. National Pumpkin Day is celebrated annually on October 26th in the United States. This day celebrates the versatile pumpkin, a squash that holds significant importance, especially in the fall season. Pumpkins are symbolic of autumn and are central to a range of festive activities and culinary delights. From carving jack-o'-lanterns for Halloween to enjoying pumpkin pie on Thanksgiving, pumpkins play a key role in many fall traditions. Furthermore, the health benefits of pumpkins shouldn't be overlooked. They are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. On National Pumpkin Day, individuals often engage in pumpkin-themed activities, whether it's visiting pumpkin patches, baking pumpkin desserts, or simply enjoying pumpkin-spiced beverages. It's a fun day that heralds the joys of the autumn season and the iconic squash that represents it. National Day of the Deployed. National Day of the Deployed is observed annually on October 26th in the United States. This day honors all service members who have been deployed in service of their country, as well as their families who await their safe return. It's a time to recognize and express gratitude to the brave men and women who are separated from their loved ones while fulfilling their military duties abroad. The day was founded by Shell Michaels Aberle in 2006. She pushed for the day in North Dakota, and Governor John Hoeven was the first to recognize it. Later, with growing recognition and support, National Day of the Deployed was proclaimed by many states and was eventually recognized on a national scale. On this day, individuals, communities, and organizations might host events, ceremonies, or initiatives to show their appreciation for the deployed service members. People also often display the American flag and wear red as a sign of support. It's a heartfelt reminder for everyone to remember those who serve overseas and to acknowledge the sacrifices they and their families make for the nation. Worldwide Howl at the Moon Night. Worldwide Howl at the Moon Night is a whimsical event that encourages people around the world to step outside and howl at the moon, celebrating the simple joy and communal spirit of connecting with one another and nature. The idea is rooted in the act of releasing stress, expressing oneself freely, and feeling a connection to the primal and natural world. It's a celebration that emphasizes unity and shared experiences, even if participants are geographically distant from one another. The charm of such grassroots events lies in their organic growth and the shared sense of community they foster. If there's a specific date or more recent information you're looking for, it would be beneficial to check contemporary sources or websites dedicated to this specific celebration. National Chicken Fried Steak Day. National Chicken Fried Steak Day is celebrated annually on October 26 in the United States. This day is dedicated to honoring the delicious dish known as chicken fried steak, a popular comfort food, especially in the southern and southwestern regions of the U.S. Chicken fried steak is made from a tenderized beef steak that's breaded and fried, similar to the preparation of fried chicken, hence the name. It's commonly served with creamy gravy and enjoyed with sides like mashed potatoes and green beans. On National Chicken Fried Steak Day, fans of the dish might visit their favorite local diners or restaurants to indulge in a hearty plate of this southern classic. Some eateries might even offer special deals or put a unique twist on the traditional recipe and celebration. It's a day to savor the rich flavors of a beloved American dish and appreciate the culinary traditions from which it originated. That's it for today. Enjoy celebrating and have a great time making special memories with these wonderful holidays.